Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are discussing natural aids to treat autoimmune diseases. Autoimmune diseases are a growing health concern, and more people are looking for ways to manage their symptoms naturally. We'll explore some of the natural remedies available and discuss how they can help you manage your autoimmune diseases. Before we dive into the natural remedies, let's take a moment to learn more about autoimmune diseases. Autoimmune disease is a long-term condition where the body's own immune system mistakenly targets its own cells and tissues rather than focusing on foreign substances like germs and parasites. Medical science is still unsure as to why some individuals' immune systems respond in a negative way. It is speculated that the underlying cause of these illnesses might be linked to infections, hereditary factors, and hormonal imbalances like those that take place during gestation or the menopause period. Before you proceed, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by sharing this video. Treat autoimmune diseases using natural methods. Conventional treatments for autoimmune conditions usually cannot lead to a cure. These treatments are generally focused on providing relief from symptoms and reducing the body's immune system reaction, which can cause side effects. In many cases, a comprehensive approach utilizing natural remedies may be the most effective solution. It is possible to break away from the cycle of pain and suffering and bring substantial relief to these illnesses. Using natural medicine requires more dedication than simply popping a few pills. You may need to alter your diet, adjust to different treatments, and modify elements of your lifestyle. No matter what autoimmune disorder you are dealing with, the tips we will discuss are applicable to everyone, since the goal is to control the immune system so that it finds a healthy balance. The beneficial effects of nutrients on autoimmune diseases. Certain vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids are essential for the optimal functioning of the immune system. 1. Vitamin D. Vitamin D has the ability to regulate an overactive immune system, which in turn could reduce the chances of allergies and autoimmune issues. This moderation is due to the regulation of nuclear factor kappa beta, a part of the body's inflammatory response. The Coimbra protocol is a method used by medical professionals that involves taking high doses of vitamin D to treat autoimmune diseases. To ensure adequate vitamin D levels, it's recommended to expose face and arms to the sun for around 20 minutes a day, or to take a vitamin D3 supplement of 4,000 to 5,000 international units each day. 2. Selenium. A comprehensive review of 32 studies found that people with autoimmune diseases often have a lack of selenium. This deficiency may be a result of the disease, as well as a factor that could lead to its advancement. It has been suggested that taking selenium supplements, selenomethionine, could reduce inflammation and collagenoses in Sjogren's syndrome, systemic lupus erythematosus, and rheumatoid arthritis. Generally, it is recommended to consume 200 micrograms of selenium each day. 3. Magnesium. It is important to make sure that magnesium levels remain healthy in those suffering from autoimmune diseases. Low magnesium levels have been linked to inflammation and the possibility of developing leaky gut syndrome, which could lead to autoimmune disease. Eating green vegetables and nuts such as almonds is a great way to ensure adequate magnesium intake. 4. Omega-3 fatty acids. It is important to ensure that your body receives a sufficient amount of omega-3 fatty acids. This class of fatty acids has a very beneficial effect on inflammatory conditions, including chronic inflammatory bowel disease, inflammatory skin and joint issues, lupus, and multiple sclerosis. You can acquire omega-3 fatty acids through diet or supplements, but since the primary source is fatty fish, other options like walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are often suggested. 5. Curcumin. The yellow pigment of turmeric, which is a part of curry spice, is known as curcumin, and it is the active ingredient present in it. This naturally occurring element has properties that can be used for anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-diabetic, and cancer preventing purposes. In the past few years, there have been several clinical trials done on supplements that contain curcumin to help with autoimmune diseases such as arthritis and ulcerative colitis. Out of 16 studies done on arthritis, 14 reported positive effects, and the same result was seen in 2 out of 3 studies of ulcerative colitis. To get the best out of curcumin, It is recommended to consume it with black pepper and oil to help with better absorption. 6. Probiotics. The gut plays a major role in the immune system, so keeping it healthy is essential for combating and avoiding autoimmune conditions. The composition of the gut microbiome can influence the immune system in multiple ways, and patients with autoimmune diseases usually have an unbalanced microbiome. Adopting a diet rich with fiber and probiotic foods can help to balance the microbiome. Researchers at the University of Texas discovered that probiotic supplements also have anti-inflammatory effects in several autoimmune diseases, such as rheumatoid arthritis, ulcerative colitis, and multiple sclerosis. For one study, people with arthritis were given a capsule with Lactobacillus acidophilus, Lactobacillus casei, and Bifidobacterium bifidum daily for 8 weeks and experienced reduced inflammation when compared to the placebo group. Autoimmune disease diet. There is no single diet that is suitable for everyone who is dealing with an autoimmune disease. It is up to each individual to determine which foods are beneficial and which are not. Fast food, pastries, highly processed foods, white flour, sugar, and alcohol should be avoided. The ideal diet should focus on fresh, seasonal, and ideally organic foods that are prepared with healthy oils and spices. Legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds should be included. To make beneficial changes to health, it is recommended to make green smoothies at home, juice fresh vegetables, eat seasonal fruit, make crunchy salads, and bake whole wheat sourdough bread. I hope this information has been helpful and that you now have a better understanding of the natural aids available to help you manage your autoimmune condition. Remember to talk to your doctor before making any changes to your diet and lifestyle, and always follow the instructions of your healthcare provider. Do you find this video helpful? If yes, kindly comment yes in the comment box. That motivates us to produce more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a healthy, happy life.